very special because we are going to be showing you guys my sisters Areeshah and my room. And do you guys know what is the theme of my and her room? It's all about unicorn. So let's start with the door right here. So this is the board of MashaAllah because I don't want any evil eyes on my cute and beautiful room. Boom! Because we love it so much. It was done with a lot of hard work. Here's our beautiful, colorful door right here. So as you can see, we have diamonds and hearts and cupcakes. They're so colorful and it matches the unicorn theme too. And a lot of thanks to Mikhail because he helped me, color them. That's why. So you could see down that there a little bit of incomplete. We have yet to do that, but it's really okay. Okay, that's it for the door. Let's move in. Ta-da! So basically, this is my bunk bed over here. This is the upper part, and that's the lower one. So this is the top one, where is like some toys over there we can play, and all my dolls over here, and some more things which I play, and Areeshah too. So here is where I sleep. This is very comfy, and I get a very nice sleep. And here I have a toy truck right here with like a lot of toys I've kept in. Me and Areeshah play it. See, like a lot of toys in there. We just play it like usually. And here are my princess pillows, as you can see. So here are like cushions, and they're so cute and sequency and colorful, pinkish. And there's my cash register over there. You can just open that. Here I have my credit card. This is fake, If I switch it on, I can tell it. Like, share, subscribe. Okay, let me keep it back. I'm a very tidy person. Okay, so let's move on the top part over here. So I'm gonna climb up. So this is Areeshah's den where she sleeps and plays. And here are all my dolls, Katie, Chelsea, and Darby. And here is her kitchen set. That's actually mine though. Here I have like a little mini books. Here we have a large toys. I have this kitchen set right here, which I don't play with. I play with this one. Areeshah plays in the kitchen set. And here's my like that. And so basically guys, we have like some things over here. All the supplies for the makeup. And I don't know where this came from, guys. Okay. Let's keep it back. These are the two gifts which I got from my mom, and they are so nice. And when I was 6 years old, I got these two ones. They're super nice. But since I've grown up, now Areeshah plays with it. Going to this side again. So I have a Minnie Mouse over here, and this is my first doll which my dad bought me because I came second rank in my class. That's why. So that's my first doll. And over here is like my first kitchen set. It's cute. And this is my first doll house right here. And this is a set like her and that kitchen. That's why. And this unicorn is Areeshah's. It's her first doll, not mine. Okay guys, moving on to sitting here, I can finally touch the wall. Oh my god, it's so dangerous here. So basically, these are the rods we got fixed up, and then we painted the ceiling right here, which is pink and full sizes and then tie them on the rod. And it looks super cute and beautiful, just like me. Okay guys, so going on to the main wall. As you can see, like this decorations over here, and they're also called as paper fans, and the paper fans are like very beautiful and it matches the color of my room too, guys. And this paper fans are BT out of the room, best thing in the room. Actually is that. And as you can see, the clock over there, and that my mom did it, and it's very nice and beautiful. It's DIY by her. Actually, I must say my mom and dad are very hardworking, you know. So this is my main wall over here. We have like our names written, Areebah and Areeshah. So we are two unicorns. Love my room. I love this wall in the whole room. So basically I have a hairbrush stand, or you can keep anything in there, and these are like the unicorn hairbrushes. This is Areeshah's and that's mine, the bigger one. Do you know where my mom bought these unicorn stuffs? I can tell you a secret. I will give you the link in the description. This is a poof right here which has like some diamonds inside them. I wish it was real. Oh. And here you have like the storage here. You know, I need a lot of storage because it's we share the room, that's why. And here's like we've decided to keep all the school bags and stuff like that, you know. So this is my cupboard right here. This is mine, and this is Areeshah's. Up there are like some toys there. We've just stored them, like some badminton and some our toys, and then my skateboard and some foosball, like that. So this is my main part, and I spend most of the time over here either playing games or drawing something, you know. So this is my study table right here. I'm gonna like it. I love Channel Shaazeel. Their videos are so awesome, guys. Do you like Channel Shaazeel? If you like Channel Shaazeel, like and subscribe. So basically this is a lantern over here. It's so beautifully, you know, decorated. And if you guys want like this, a type of lantern, please email us. So here I have my unicorn over here. She's apple pie, and here's all of my stuff, like some highlighters and pencils and erasers, and my bottle over. I'm really thirsty though. Refreshing. Okay, so here are my headphones over here, and this is just my school stuff, you know. And here are my eye masks. And moving on to the upper part right here, we have like two pinup boards and like some colorful pink things, and you know, I made those. Oh, here I have a board which we can, you know, write and scribble on, and my switchboard. So moving on to my chair right here, this is a DIY by my mom, and it's super cute with some pom-poms and, you know, all the nets, and it's so colorful. My mom is super woman, you know, mashallah. Okay, moving on to my drawer right here. This has like a pom-pom keychain with you know, what is this called? A heel, yeah. Let's open it. So here I store all of my things. So starting from here, I have my diaries. This is my unicorn one, some donuts, and some extra, diaries. This is my unicorn pouch here, and my box, all my pencils, and here are my scissors, sketch pens, and some drawing designs which I keep over there. My teddy bear, and my crayons, my mouse, and my glue, and some more colored pencils, some glitters, and this is the Tazzy, and like some cleaning solution for my laptop. And these are the markers to like write over here. So we can write something. My room is a best. Okay. So we are done with the dryer, so let's just close this up. Okay, so moving up to this part, the final thing of my room. Basically, this is not the theme of my room, but that's still okay. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I'm very grateful for what I have today. But that's just okay because it's temporary, and inshallah, we'll buy a new carpet for my room, making it comfy and nice and warm. See, I forgot one part. Let me show you. So these drawers are recently made. We got them, two of them, because of the storage, and So let's open this drawer right here. We have like some of our footwears and bags and stuff like that. Let's close that. Let's move over there. Let's open this one. And like I have all my craft items and all the games, board games and stuff like that. So hope you guys got the idea how to decor a kid's room as a unicorn theme. Home, don't go anywhere outside, and just for no reason, only for essential things. And that's it for today, guys. Bye.